Hey everybody, Mike Rakowski, estate planning and elder law attorney, and I wanted to come to you to bring some information about the unauthorized practice of law. This has been a hot topic lately, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to read you some things. I got some things here prepared. I want to read you what the statute says, and then I want to talk to you about a case that might be right on point with what we're dealing with today. So here's what the Michigan statute reads. It says, here is the unauthorized practice of law. A person shall not practice law or engage in the law business, shall not in any manner whatsoever lead others to believe that he or she is authorized to practice law or engage in the law business, and shall not in any manner whatsoever represent or designate himself or herself as an attorney, counselor, attorney at law, lawyer, unless the person is regularly licensed and authorized to practice law in the state. So a lot of times we see a lot of different ways to execute estate planning documents. We ourselves employ a lot of mobile notaries to execute documents for us. But in our case, what we've done is we've already gone through and gave all the legal advice to the clients. We've reviewed the documents, and the purpose of the notary is to then just execute the documents, make sure that the person is who they say they are putting pen to paper, signing their documents with witnesses and all those other requirements. So let's further look at, because the state of Michigan has already dealt with this. I mean, we've been doing this for years. And so there's a case on point here that deals with estate planning. It was the Detroit Bar Association versus Union Guardian Trust Company. Here's what the case said. The drafting of wills and trusts is the practice of law. The Michigan Supreme Court determined that there's no exceptions for wills, and that they next looked at companies that set up trust kits. I mean, there's a lot of them that we see online, but it goes on to say, companies that sell will and trust kits in the state of Michigan are likely committing the unauthorized practice of law and can be prosecuted under MCL 451.681. Know this, that each instance of the unauthorized practice of law for a notary, for anyone, has up to a $7,500 fine and up to 91 days in jail per instance. So be very cautious. And the state, this case goes on to say that attorneys also who collaborate or associate with these companies, presumably to just sign off on the transaction, may find themselves facing ethical violations for assisting someone else in the unauthorized practice of law. So even if there's an attorney that signs off on things that says, hey, notaries, hey, whoever, go out, talk about these documents and sign them, that is the unauthorized practice of law. So I just wanted to come to you today and share that with you. Be very careful when you're out there. You have a very, very important role in what you do. And we just want to make sure that we're not mixing responsibilities between the attorney's counsel and the notary's function. So hope that helps. Everyone have a great day. If you have any questions, again, my name is Mike Rakowski, estate planning and elder law attorney at the Rakowski Law Firm. Feel free to shoot me an email, mlr@therakowskilawfirm.com. That's RUTKOWSKI lawfirm.com. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Signing off.